Crazy. Yeah, if you guys are here, be loud and super clear, man. Let me get some ones in the chat. Let me get some 111 in the chat if you hear me loud and super clear. Let's get this thing rocking and rolling, man. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm pumped up. Yeah, you guys hear me loud and clear, man. Lovely, 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 lovely. Welcome, 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 everyone. Welcome to the New York session, man. And let's get this thing rocking and rolling, man. In which we're gonna go through our rules. Really easy, really simple, right? In which rule number one is actually starting off with gratitude, all right? We're gonna be grateful. We're gonna be grateful. We're gonna be thankful, right? And gratitude is rule number one. Now, grateful mind actually attracts clarity, opportunity, and consistent results, right? So this you can also, you can actually, screenshot this if you guys want. All right. Let me see if I had this actually showing on the screen. Yeah, sure. All right. So it's good affirmations. You can actually start off your day. It actually help you start off your day, right, man? I gotta be grateful. I'm grateful for life. I'm trying to thank God for that, man. Literally, I'm grateful for this opportunity to trade and grow every day. Grateful for the discipline and the patience, the commitment to the process. Grateful for every lesson that makes you a better trader. This is a nice, sweet list to actually start off your day right now. As I say, I'm grateful for life. I'm trying to thank God for that, and to see opportunity to see another day, right? So that's the rule number one. Being grateful, start off with gratitude. Now, as you go forward to rule number two, is checking the news. And we're gonna be checking the news on Forex Factory, as we know, to see what high impact news is gonna affect us when we're trading. All right. Now, as I say, high impact news, also known as red folder news, that's gonna affect the United States dollar specifically. Right now, why the United States dollar is because we're gonna be trading US 30 and we're gonna be trading NAS 100. US 30, also known as Wall Street or also known as the Dow Jones, is actually made up of 30 companies that based in the United States. That's including Apple, that's including Tesla, that's including Samsung, all these tech companies that you could actually think of. Yes, that's actually on US 30, and NAS 100 is 104 companies that's actually made up the NAS 100, all right? Now, so we're gonna be looking at those two indices, as we call it. And the reason why we're looking at those two indices is because these companies, also known as stocks, all right, is moved by the United States dollar. So when we're looking at the news on Forex Facts, you want to know what high impact news or red folder, which you're not seeing any on my screen right now, right? What high impact news is gonna affect us when we're trading, which we don't have any, right? Which is really, really good. All right. Now let's see for tomorrow also. I'm gonna show you the difference. Tomorrow we have no news, but no high impact news. The Canadian dollar have, but not the United States dollar. And well, Wednesday have news. Yeah, Wednesday have news for sure. Right, freshman gonna be speaking. Cool. Um, cool. So we have no high impact news gonna affect us when we're trading this morning. So we good or we Gucci, right? As you go forward to rule number three is no risk management. All right, you want to know your risk management. You want to know your risk. Right now, rule number three is risk management, as we know. Right, you don't know how much you're risking, which is going to be 300 pips, 3,000 points. Going to be risking is our stop loss. Right, that's our stop loss. 3% of our account. That's one. Two, our daily target is going to be 10%. Once you get a daily target of 10%, yeah. Once you get a daily target of 10%, we lock in sweet profits, and we call it a sweet day, all right? Sometimes we go for more than 10%, but let's see how the market actually runs, so you know exactly how we're gonna do that. So we're gonna know we risk, which is our 3%, 3,000 points, 300 pips, right? Same thing, all right? And the daily target is gonna be 10%, right? So wherever your account balance is times 10%, you can use the calculator really quick, times 10%, that's your daily target for this morning session. Once you get a target, I would say actually see market reach that certain number, you can lock in your profits, call it a sweet and wonderful day, right? Easy, straightforward like that, all right? Now, also with risk management, you got to know your lot size. Make sure you guys know your lot size, as I was teaching about that yesterday. We are teaching about that yesterday. Make sure you guys know your lot size for your specific account, all right? So let's jump straight to the charts, man. We have literally a minute and 29, less than 20, a minute and 29 seconds remaining for this sweet market, all right? Now, as I wait for this to load, I have my, yeah, I have my US 30 on my left, and I have my NAS 100 on my right. Alright. And I just love US 30. Even if NAS gonna blast, cool. But I just love my US 30. So I'm gonna be looking at the US 30 chart first thing first. Where's my chart? Right. Gonna open up my next chart. So I'm gonna open up my next screen here, man. And we're gonna be looking at the US 30. The US 30 pair first thing first. All right, so we're gonna be looking at the US 30. Welcome, welcome, welcome for those who are coming on. We have a US 30, we are NAS 100 charts up and running. So we're gonna respect our New York session with the US 30 first thing first. So we're gonna be looking at US 30 right now as she's giving us a reversal to drop her way off. All right, so let's see if she's gonna actually continue falling as the market gonna open up in the next right now. All right, so your market is now officially open. Looking at US 30. Let's see what's US 30 trying to give us right now, man. So this is the volume. As you see, the volume actually picking up really nice, which is good. That's good. That's good signs. Nice boost to the low. Yo, that's actually boost to the low. That's a good rejection. Alright, looking at US 30. Alright, I'm selling US 30 right now, guys. I'm in on sales on US 30 right now, literally. Got it at the trend like break up in on sales on US 30 right now. Stop loss gonna be 3,000 points. Stop loss is 3,000 points. I see she pulled back immediately there. Yep, I'm seeing it. I'm seeing it. I'm seeing it. She's pulled back, right? But we didn't get stop out. Stop loss is 3,000 points. If she actually pulled back and stop here, cool. We just look for another trade idea. But she pulled right back to the entry again. Nice. You gonna see this thing fall now? Come on, let me see a fall, girl. Let me see a fall, girl. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You gonna see it burst just low right here. Wow, which other rejection? She's rejecting. We may get stop out on the trade, yeah. So we got stop out on the trade. We got stop out on the trade. She pulled back really fast there. So she pulled back stop us out there, right? Cool. That's not a problem. I'm gonna wait to see exactly if she's gonna come back down. Then to take her back down. Because that's what she's doing right now. Very indecisive movement right now. Alright, she's coming back down, which is good. She come right back down. She's a little crazy, but I'll wait until she fulfills this week in order for me to take this market down, right? Whoa. Sorry, rejections here now. Alright, cool, cool, cool. That's not a problem. So Nas dropped nicely, then she rejected. Same thing like USD. USD dropped nicely, and then she rejected to go back to the upside. Alright. Hold on. This market is on an uptrend. This market is gonna be making higher highs. Yo, this market is gonna be bullish, yo. Looking at USD, guys. I wanna take a buy right now. I'm in on buys on USD right now. Yeah. I'm in on buys on USD right now, literally. And it's really what is to actually pull back very deep. My stop loss is gonna be 3,000 points, as I repeat. Stop loss is gonna be 3,000 points. I'm in on buys on it, right? Yeah, see, she gave us the pullbacks. He didn't take it as yet. Wait for the wick to be fulfilled. Meaning, wait for the candle to actually reach up there, then to take it if it didn't take it as yet. Now I'm still in it right now for the buy off. The reason why I take this buy off is because this market actually pulled back to retest it. This was a retest right, and this market gonna blast off, right? So we stop loss is 3,000 points. You guys supposed to be in profits. I will TP. I want to make back this mini loss here of 300 pips. So we lost. So of course we TP gonna be 15,000 points. All right. So 15,000 points gonna be our take profit. We gotta make back that, man. Let's go. We already like 500 pips in profit right now. Lovely. Come on, let's go, girl. Come on, let's go, girl. Fulfill our wick, man. Fulfill that wick, man. Let me see. I reach this highs right here. Let's get it. All this happened within 5 minutes. Crazy, right? Cool. We still in. We still in. We running 600 pips in profit right now. So right now, obviously, making back, we actually lost on this first trade, right? Literally. Lovely, 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 lovely. Come on, let me get our 150 pip. Let me get our 1500 pip right here, man. Seeing her giving us the pullbacks. Let's see if she's gonna reject off of this low. Because this is a very good area. We could get some rejections. Ooh, deeper pullbacks. This pullback can give us a pullback to the entry to retest it, and then we can see a nice push off to the moon, man. Wow. Deeper pullbacks. Come on. This better don't stop me out there, yo. We need to see some rejections taking place right now, man. We need to see some rejections taken here, yo. So she put it right back to my entry right now. Right now we didn't get stop out. Right, I'm still in. I'm still in. She just gave us some pullbacks. Wow. Okay, okay, okay. Indecisive movement right now, yo. Okay, that stopped me out there, yo. So she pulled back stop us out there. Let's see what she's gonna do next, man. Let's see what she's gonna do next, man. This mark is very indecisive right now. Very, very indecisive right now. Now, do I believe she's gonna go back up? Yeah, I believe so. If she drop back to these lows again, cool. I'll obviously take her back down, hopefully, when she actually drop back to those lows again. But this market is is literally some very strong indecisive market actually taking place right now, alright? Now she actually stop us out of the way up, stop us out of the way down, right? Literally, alright. Both sides she actually stop us out, alright. Now that's a very strong rejection right there, which she did. Literally. Nice boost and then she rejected immediately. Which I really do not like. Now I'm gonna sit and wait to see exactly what she's gonna do here. Wow, US 30. That's wow. Still waiting, guys. Still waiting to see exactly what she's gonna do. So the market actually run to us. Wow. Market actually run to us. She did give us a break. Both sides, two trades was really good, right? Run slightly in profits on the first one, and she pulled back. Second one, she run really good, and then she pulled back, right? Let's see how she's gonna actually move here. If she's gonna continue showing us that bullish form, meaning that bullish momentum to the upside, or is she gonna reject to go back down? All right. All right. So I've seen the rejections take coming back up again. Still on your study, man. Still on your study, man. Waiting, waiting, waiting. Still waiting, still waiting, still waiting, still waiting. I literally got one more trade left for me for this USD market right now, man. Because these indecisive movements, I don't really like it. All right, so we have a new 5 minute candles now open. She is showing us the sell off right now, but she could just reject and show us some bullish move, right? Now, if you know me, 3 by 3 6, I need a 2000 pip move on the trade. All right, so USD, I am taking back another buy in USD again. All right, I'm in on another buy in USD again. Last trade for the morning, man. If this market actually pull back and stop me out, yeah, some indecisive movements taking place there, right? And I'm surely not into that. All right. So we in on buys on USD right now. The stop loss is going to be 3,000 points, of course. With 3%, 3,000 points is our stop loss. Now I'm going to give you guys no take profit as yet. Let's see how far. Let's manage this trade properly together, man. All right. Okay. Rejections again. Rejections again. You need to see that. We need to see that bullish move there, yo. We need to see that bullish move there, yo. Slightly in profits again. Let's go. Come on, let's run it, girl. Let's see this hybrid broken out. Plus, the woman give my doji candle. That's not a good sign, man. And plus, she actually showing us the sign of a doji candle with some slight reversals. That's not a good sign. Honestly speaking, that's not a good sign. When you see this 1 minute candle, or if I watch a 31 minute time frame, I want to see this 1 minute candle actually reject to show us the bullish form. If this 1 minute candle actually shows the bearish, then she gotta continue falling, passing the last 1 minute candle wick. We may get stop out. Alright. Come on, man. Let me see this thing actually show us some bullish. Lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. We back slightly in profits. Can we just see it fulfill this week, man? This thing is very indecisive, yo. Very, very indecisive, yo. Deeper pullbacks. Come on, man. We need that bullish move right now, man. This market is very indecisive, meaning she's moving sideways right now. No kind of movement, no kind of direction right now. It's a directionless market that's taking place right now. Right now, she's just playing. All right, we running back in profits again. I will back all my profits. I will back all my money, all my cash from these two loss first thing first. That's why we say I want to manage it straight to see how she's gonna move first thing first. All right, come on, man. Lovely, 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 lovely. Let's go, man. Let's go, man. We're running back 300 pips in profit. Good push, good push, good push, good push, good push. You wanna see it pass the high? You wanna see it pass the high? She passing the high. Let's go, man. Let's go, man. Let's go, man. Put our TP on the straight. TP gonna be 20,000 points. Let's go. Take profit. It's gonna be 20,000 points as we take profit on the straight. Let's get a 20% trade on this market, man. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. She's running. Literally 1,000 pip in profit right now. We got it back. We got it back. We got it back. We are super halfway there, man. Super halfway there, man. Let's go, man. Halfway there, man. If you guys want and want to call it a break even morning, you can take back. You can actually close off your trade and call it a break even morning, right? Close off your trade and take your profits, right? If you want to hold for the full 2,000 pip move, that's not a problem. Make sure you move to break even, right? When I say move to break even, you actually put in your stop loss above your entry price. You're gonna lose absolutely nothing on the street, all right? Literally. How about 2,000 people on the street, honestly speaking? I see the pullbacks. Yeah, I see the pullbacks. All right, I'm seeing the pullbacks. But she gotta pre-test this low to actually show us a bullish form there, all right? Now it's not showing us a bullish move also. So that's good signs. Come on, we'll see US 30 actually fly to that moon, man. Let's go, girl. Seeing some pullbacks. Come on, we'll see some rejections taking place. You see some rejections taking place right now. Yeah, 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 yeah. Good rejections taking place. Come on, you see more rejection though. You take it at us though. If this market pullback can actually stop me out at break even, I'm done for this morning, guys. Literally, right? Because right now you're running good in profits, right? You know two things. Either I move to break even, meaning we're losing nothing on this trade, that we call it a losing day, or you can actually lock in your full profits, right? Either or. Now, if you move to break even, that means you actually want to hold for the 2,000 pip, meaning you want to make back the two loss plus more. Now, if you close off your trade right now, you're actually making back all your loss plus up 2% of your market, 2% of your of your account right now, right? Literally, right? Nothing wrong with that. All right. Now I just want to see the actually show us more bullish move right now, man. We have 3 minutes again for the new 5 minute count to actually open. Come on, let me get this 3 minutes of being incredible. Right, right now we're running 1,000 pip in profit. Literally. Lovely push. Good push. We're gonna see it continue showing us a bullish move there, yo. Come on, let's go, girl. I believe in you, US 30. We believe in you, yo. Let's go, girl. Really don't like how this market run this morning, but we gotta cope with it and we gotta run with it, right? Literally. So this is why risk management is very crucial. When I say this is why risk management is very crucial, meaning you got two losses this morning, right? For 300 pip by 3% by 3%, 600 pip loss, right? So that's 6% loss, right? Are we up 10% right now? Right now, if you're lucky in profits, you're not actually close by 4% up, right? Literally. All right. Now seeing some reversals taking place. Come on. We may see a slight pullback to retest a certain low. Yeah, we may see a pullback to retest a low. Ugh. I ain't catering for the pullback, but if you had to get the 2,000 pip, we had to go with the pullback, right? So I know some of you guys may be still holding out. Nothing wrong with that. There's gonna be a slight little pullback. Come on, let me get back my 1 minute on this chart. Lovely. So this pullback gonna give us a deeper pullback at this low right here. I can't say for that kind of pullback, but say what? You cope with it, let you roll with it. It's either we lock in, as I say, as I repeat myself, you say that you take your profits or you actually move to break even, so you won't lose nothing. Right now, we're actually gonna give us a pullback to this low right here. Then we're gonna get a deeper pullback, and then we're gonna see reject to go back up again. Alright. So in other words, we're gonna see actually we get this to load up. We get this to load up. We're gonna see a pullback to this right here. Then to see it actually give us a push off here, then to retest again and then show us up. So this is something called market structure. Alright, so we gotta see a new lower high. Yeah, exactly, man. We don't see market structure. It's horrible, yeah. Horrible market structure, honestly. Yeah, so we're gonna see a we're gonna see a pullback to retest, then a push off, making lower highs like sets, right? So making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, right? Literally, right? So that's why I'm looking to see if she's gonna continue doing that. So I'm gonna move this on the side. Alright. This is the way the patience gonna kick in here now, right? We got a high right here for another entry. We got a low right here, man. If she actually shows us a bullish move and passes high, we may pop another entry just because I ain't taking that just so these markets, honestly speaking. Let's see if she's gonna give us a bullish move. Yeah, she is giving us a bullish move. Looking at US 30 right now. Guess what? You got another entry if you actually lock in profits, right? We're gonna see one more push, one more push, one more push, one more push. Yeah, one. Yeah, I'm actually entering another buy in USD right now. Literally, I'm in another buy in USD right now. Stop loss gonna be literally 3,000 points. TP on this trade gonna be 5,000 points. And we get a quick aha moment here, literally, right? That quick aha moment rather than So stop loss gonna be 3,000 points. Take profit is literally 5,000 points. Find another buy off on USD. Literally, right? Right now it's supposed to be in profits. Come on, let's see a smack it. 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 Come on, let's see a smack it. USD. You're playing too much, yo. Honestly, I like with my stop losses too for that 3,000 points. Very close, very close, very close, very close, very close. Come on, let's go there. Good push, good push, good push. Three, two, one. Come on, man. You're super close, yo. Yo. We just doubled down on this trade, guys. Literally. We're on another bag yesterday. Right now, we are running good at profits. If you want, you can take your profit on this second trade right now. Right now, you're already like some sites in profit, right? Right now, you're already like 200 pips in profit. So you can take your profit at 300 pips right now. And some of you guys may be holding. Who's holding, man? Who's holding, man? Who's holding, man? Who's holding, man? Alright, so she reached this high here, now she's rejecting. Alright, now that's not a problem, that's more confirmation for me to actually hold out this trade. Alright. Reason for that is because as I say, she gotta pull back just like this, right? She gotta pull back, do this kind of stuff, right? So she gotta pull back to retest it and then show us more bullish move. So she pull back there. Hope you guys get to luck in the second trade right here for a nice 300 pips right here, really quick. Alright. Now as I say, I'm gonna hold out. I'm still holding out for my 2,000 pip because right now we are running 1,100 pips in profit again. Trust me, when this market gonna shoot, she's gonna shoot. Alright? And she gotta shoot for me today. Today she gotta shoot, man. She gotta shoot, man. We shooting to get all 3 points, man. Let's get this, man. Let's get this, man. We do it like Messi and shooting for the goal today, man. Let's get it, man. Let's get it, man. She giving us a push again. We're gonna see it pass this little high. All right, we have literally how much? 2 minutes again for this candle to, well, less than 2 minutes again for this candle to close. When you see it passes high right now, honestly, we're gonna see it passes high right now. That's what I wanna see. I wanna see it passes high. Right. So volume actually slow down right now in the market. She slow down. She slow down, but I believe she's gonna give us a bullish movement. All right, believe that. We gotta believe that. We gotta believe that. So yes, if you take the second trade, you still get to lock in something rather than nothing, which is very smart. All right, so we still get to lock in 300 pips in this market, right? Keep that in mind. So we still lock in one of the trade that we lost on the first trade right there. All right, literally. All right. Come on, man. We need to see that bullish move, yo. All right, guys. Now you guys can actually lock in full profits on the street now. Yeah, I'm calling it a sweet session here, man. So you can lock in full profits literally at 1,000 pip. 1,000 pip plus the tree, you get 1,300 pip on this market. Make sure lock in full profits. Make sure lock in full profits. Make sure lock in full profits. All right. Again, we're taking out something rather than nothing because she's gonna pull back a little deeper. Right. We know the cater for the pullback. Right. So make sure you lock in profits on this market. Literally 1,000 pip. Watch out pullback. Deeper pullbacks there, man. So yeah, man, let's go, let's go, let's go. We got a new 5 minute candle. Open up. Make sure you're locking full profits on this market. She gave us a deeper pullbacks, but yeah, I still believe she's gonna give us a bullish move. But she gave us a deeper pullback. As I said, we want to lock in with full profits on this market. Reason for that is because yeah, she's gonna give us a deeper pullback. Yeah, she breaking this low here. This market gonna reject and drop all the way down. All right, so let's go, let's go, let's go. We still get back with two loss here, literally. That's one. And still looking at 1,000 pips, so we up by 4%, plus the 300 pips, so we up by 4 plus 3, 8, 4 plus 3, 7% up, man. So let's go, man. I appreciate you guys actually coming on. Hope you guys get to lock in that profit, man, and let's get this thing rocking and rolling, right? So we'll be back on tonight for the Asia session, man. Let's go, and I'm out, man.